Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Governor Sindh, Mr. Kamran Khan Tesori, our host, His Excellency, Mr. Muzakir, the Consul General of Indonesia, members of the Cabinet, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed a great pleasure and honor for me to join you this evening as we celebrate the 80th National Day of the Republic of Indonesia. On behalf of the government and the people of Sindh, I extend my warmest congratulations to the government and people of Indonesia on this historic occasion. I also commend the Consulate General of Indonesia in Karachi for hosting this wonderful reception and that brings us together in friendship and goodwill. Excellencies, the relationship between Pakistan and Indonesia is rooted in history, mutual respect, and shared aspirations. Pakistan was amongst the first nations to recognize Indonesia's independence, and over the decades, this bond was further strengthened by visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shehid Bhutto and President Sookarno. Their personal friendship and shared commitment to Asian solidarity helped cement the foundations of our bilateral ties. The Sookarno Memorial Tower, which stands tall in Larkano, remains a powerful symbol of this enduring friendship, bearing witness to the deep respect between these great leaders and the everlasting bond between the two nations. Our bilateral relations have expanded significantly over the years, with bilateral trade reaching $4.1 billion in 2024. Indonesia today stands among Pakistan's most important economic partners. We welcome Indonesia's growing interest in expanding investment and business collaboration in Pakistan, particularly in Sindh, where vast opportunities exist in energy, infrastructure development, information technology, and digital innovation. The government of Sindh is fully committed to facilitate investors and enhance economic connectivity for mutual prosperity. Beyond economics, the bond between our nations is enriched by vibrant people-to-people connections. Indonesia's cultural programs, educational exchanges, and training opportunities have played a vital role in deepening understanding and friendship between our peoples. These exchanges strengthen the bridge between our societies and create lasting goodwill. Ladies and gentlemen, as we look to the future, I reaffirm the Sindh government's strong commitment to further expanding cooperation with Indonesia. We seek to work together for shared prosperity, greater regional harmony, and robust economic and cultural ties that benefit our people. On this joyous occasion, I once again congratulate the people of Indonesia on their 80th National Day. May the partnership between our two nations continue to flourish, and may Indonesia enjoy enduring peace, progress, prosperity. Thank you very much. Pakistan, Indonesia friendship, Zindabad.